Welcome. Today we are going to make spicy mushroom biryani. For this, I have taken 200 grams of basmati rice in a bowl. If you have measurement cup, then take 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of rice. Pour the water and soak it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now for the biryani, heat a fry pan. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add bay leaf and saute it. With this add small size cinnamon, 2 cloves, and 2 cardamoms. Saute it for 20 to 30 seconds. Now add 1 lengthwise sliced onion. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now add 2 green chillies. Saute it until the onion turns translucent. Now add coarsely grinded 15 shallots. Now saute it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the smell goes. Approximately it takes 5 to 7 minutes in low flame. Now add 1 chopped tomato and saute it. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it well. Now the tomato is cooked well. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped mint leaves and mix it for few seconds. Then add 200 grams of chopped mushrooms with this. Saute it around 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of curd. Stir and cook it until the mushrooms are shrinked. While mushroom cooking, we will prepare the rice. Rinse the soaked rice and take it in a pressure cooker. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Mix it. Now the mushroom is cooked well. Add it into the rice and mix it together. Pour 300 milliliters of water, or pour 1½ cup in which cup you have taken for the measurement. Then add a handful of coriander leaves. Now heat the pressure cooker. Then squeeze the half lemon juice in this. Mix it. Let it comes to boiling stage. Now we can close the pressure cooker. Cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, keep the cooker idle for releasing its pressure. Finally add some ghee. Now the spicy mushroom biryani is ready. Please try this at your home. Post your feedback. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.